हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम एक पज़ल सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं पज़ल को। 7% PQRSTUV वर्क्स इन डिफरेंट इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन WHO एटसेट्रा, नॉट नेसेसरी इन द सेम ऑर्डर, ईच पर्सन बिलोंग टू डिफरेंट कंट्रीज, सो ऑन, अगेन नॉट नेसेसरी इन द सेम ऑर्डर। तो हमको इन्फॉर्मेशन ये दी गई है, एक जगह कंट्रीज़ हैं, एक जगह ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है। तो हम इसको बना लेते हैं। हम क्या बनाएंगे, हम पहले नाम लिख लेंगे PQRST, सॉरी ये गलत हो गया थोड़ा सा, मेरा ध्यान, ओके, STUV। सो ये हमने बना लिए। अब ये एक तरफ हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दिखाएंगे और एक तरफ दिखाएंगे कंट्रीज। तो हम यहाँ पर दिखा लेते हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और यहाँ पर दिखा लेंगे कंट्री। ये लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, फिर भी। You belong to US and work neither OPEC and NASA. So you belongs to US और neither work for OPEC oblique NASA. So इनके लिए ये काम नहीं करता है। You belong to US, work neither of, okay. The one who works with WHO belongs to UK. So the one who works for WHO belongs to UK. So this information is given. P works with WTO. P works with WTO. ये सीधे information है. P works with WTO and belong to neither Russia nor France. So यहाँ पर हम रशिया को लिख लेंगे और फ्रांस भी लिख लेंगे और कट कर लेंगे, neither Russia nor France. The one who works with UN belong to China. So the one who works for UN belongs to China. Q belong to Japan and does not work with NASA. So Q belongs to Japan and does not work for NASA. So NASA को कट कर लेंगे यहाँ पर पे. The one who works with NASA does not belong to France. So the one who works for NASA, यहाँ पर लिख लेते हैं, NASA does not belong to France. So ये फ्रांस को बिलोंग नहीं करता है। नासा वाला फ्रांस को बिलोंग नहीं करता है। ओके। S works for ILO, डायरेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन है। S works for ILO. V does not belong to UK. So V does not belong to, सॉरी belong to यहाँ लिख रहे हैं, UK को लिख के क्रॉस कर देंगे। ओके, V does not belong to UK and does not work with NASA. ओके, V also does not work with NASA. NASA को हम कर लेंगे क्रॉस यहाँ पर पे। T does not work with NASA. So T does not work with NASA. So NASA, it will be crossed. Okay. So this is the information given. So what will we do? So NASA here, NASA cannot come here. NASA cannot come here, here. So only one position is left. So NASA will definitely come here. So NASA, the direct information is given. UN and China are together. So UN and China, it can be placed here or here. Two possibilities. Okay. We cannot fill it. UK belongs to WHO. So WHO, no, WHO, UK, we can fill it here. But UK cannot come here. So it is clear that UK will come here only. So UK and it belongs to WHO, and the information of UN and China will be filled here only. UN and China, there is only one place left. So this is it. And the information is given that Russia cannot come here and France cannot come here. Russia and France cannot come here. So Russia and France, they can, okay, NASA cannot be the person who work for NASA cannot belong to France, so the France will come here, because France cannot come here, so France will come here, and automatically Russia will come here, and the one country left, which is Canada, so the Canada will come here automatically, and only one organization is left, which is not WHO, WTO, OPEC. Have we filled OPEC? No, we haven't. Okay, OPEC will come here because OPEC cannot come here, so OPEC will come here, and the last organization, which is WB, World Bank, which will come here. So this is it, the puzzle has been solved. So it is very easy puzzle. So in next video we will solve another puzzle. Thank you so much.